Helo pawb, yn ôl heddi I gwneud tasg pedwerydd sydd yn Keyframe. This will be a very short video, ond hopefully be short, knowing me, I'll overcomplicate it. Gwasgu escape, mynd i'r dogfenty, gwasgu saf. Chi'n gweld Jerethy neu Jimothy, I think it was Jimothy. Jimothy yn ôl fan hyn, very lonely, as you can see, last lesson. Gwers diwethaf, ni wedi creu Jerethy I dansio, which we don't really want to do yet, but, you know, good for him. Now, ni cael the basic frames. Mynd I file, we want to convert to animation. Keyframe animation, sorry, I can't read. Aros, oh, it's already done it. Wow, that was faster than usual. Okay, as you can see, now it's nowhere near realistic. So, lawr fan hyn, just gwasgu 1000, 1000, enter, and now this will be pretty explanatory, 1 second long. Obviously, that last one is still 100 because of glitches. New frame, 1 second, sure, done. So now if we play it, I'll go up and go down, hands magically disappear. We don't really want them to disappear. That'll be the animation, it restarts, you see. So, delay. We want Jerethy here to be a bit more boring for a bit. So I think this here will be... Hang on. Okay. Pimp can't. Fan hyn, if we press insert slide, frame, we put 0.5. Now, something to note. Now, I messed up a lot of times because of this. Down here is milliseconds. Milliseconds is... Okay, 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, right? 500 milliseconds is 0.5 seconds. So in this window, it gives you the option of 0.5, as you can see, seconds. If I try and put 500, it will give me 500 seconds. But I think actually 99 seconds is the limit, but you get what I mean. So if we play it now, a bit more upbeat. Here we go. Not really that much cooler, but oh well. But the edrych llawer gwell mewn the final edition. Just obviously, it doesn't want to. We don't want to waste valuable resources rendering something that is pretty bad. So need to convert fy mewn I keyframe now. Yn syml, ni eisiau. Oh well, I guess end the video. Hwyd ni'n ber iawn, actually. Just gwneud siŵr fod popeth wedi cael ei tamio yn cywir, a bydd fi gweld ti mewn un nesaf. Hwyl fawr.